Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the interactive session. Hello, hi. I'm good. So, something different than normal teaching. So, that's why I do all these things. Right from starting of the channel onwards, I'm doing all the different types of costumes like that. Not only now, so from starting onwards. One check the channel, then you'll get to know. Thank you. Thank you so much. So 11th already started. 11th class, grade 11. And grade 10 it is going on. Grade 12 will start. And as I'm saying, grade 9, grade 8. For them also physics classes will teach. So I'll take the physics classes. So notes also available for CBSE grade 10 physics notes. I have written my handwritten notes. Notes also available. Okay. Okay, right. So write the topics and start with the topics. Whatever the current classes are going on. So in your college. So with that you can start prepare. Okay. And along with the concept, you can go with the reference books. So along with the reference books, so PYQs related to particular topic, particular concept only, you go with it. Then your preparation will be easy. Your preparation will be easy. So you'll get more interest to prepare. Okay. So like that, you can go with that. Then it will be very easy to prepare. And whenever you are preparing, focus on particular topic only. Don't think about multiple topics. Think about only particular chapter, particular concept. Based on that one, PYQs. Okay. So on the reference books you can take. So H.C. Verma, Singage, like that, right? So those books, if you prepare, yeah, of course. See, you are not preparing all the chapters at once, right? You are preparing slowly one by one, topic by topic. First, revise. First, concentrate on particular topic. Revise multiple times. Then continue. First one topic, then two topics, then three topics, then like that. Then it will be easy, right? Singage. Those are starting new. So you can start with Singage. So and maintain the handbook. So physics here. You can see this physics handbook. We can follow. So Singage, H.C. Verma. So here it is there. So Singage books and H.C. Verma. Okay. So like that. So those are starting now. So you can go with that. So then it will be helpful, right? So those are starting. So from basic onwards, fundamentals onwards, it will be easy. Then you'll get a clear concept. So you'll get interest to prepare also problems. And Arihant, okay, DC Pandey. So problems are more concepts, problems, so you can practice, right? Sure, I'll do it. My name is Shiva. So I'll teach physics, 10th, 11th, 12th. So those who are there in 11th, so you can start watching the videos. So in 11th, from 11th, I explained units and measurement, units and dimensions, units and measurements, And the second one is motion in a straight line, motion in a plane from Hyderabad, motion in a plane, loss of motion, work and energy. Okay, work and energy, mechanical properties of solids. Like, so these topics I explain, and system of particles and rotatory motion. Hmm. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll try. Thank you, sir. Actually, when light ray is passing from one medium to another medium, the refractive index of the second medium, okay, so it depends on the refractive index. So when light ray is passing from rarer to denser, in the denser medium, more particles will be present. Suppose you can take one example. So empty road is there. So we can travel little speed. When suddenly traffic comes, what you'll do? So you'll go little slow. Okay. So traffic is there. Immediately we won't stop. So we will go according to the traffic. Right. So here also, when you are moving from rarer to denser, the particles present in the denser medium will be more compared to rarer medium. Okay. So within a closed medium, within the space, right? So that's the reason speed is decreasing, then it is bending towards normal. And if it is passing from rarer to denser, refractive index. So mu equal to C by B, n equal to C by B, that is refractive index. Yeah, yeah, over at, yeah. So I'm teaching for 11th, right now in the channel. So I'm taking grade 11 and for grade 10 also it goes on. Those who are new to the channel, those who are there in 10th class. And you can suggest this channel to your juniors also, those who are there in 11th grade. Okay, and your seniors also. So 12th class, grade 12, right? So something different. So something creative for that purpose. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. थोड़ा थोड़ा आता. Every Sunday. Yeah, definitely. So after the classes, so those days also I will make interactive class. On Sunday also I'll do it. So share as much as possible. Share as many as possible. Then I can do more. I can do better with your support. Definitely I'll do it. How many days onwards you are doing live classes? Vikram Yadav. Anyone can join. Anyone can join to these classes. Okay, there is auto dubbed, so it will be converted into languages. Sir, hi. From how many days onwards you are doing live classes? Not from starting. Starting onwards, I'm not doing. So like recent 1 year, 2 year onwards, I'm doing live classes. Mm. Those days rarely I'm doing. So, but recent from past to 1 year or 2 years onwards, I'm doing continuously. Yeah, so JE main syllabus definitely I will. Oh, thank you, Tanish. Narayana. You are very. You only said great teacher. Then that is a choice. Choice. There are many fields. So with our heart, with our mind, choosing one thing, that is teaching. Mm. You feel like in depression. So it's not like that. Sir, why physics? No answer. It's most like subject. Sir, that's right. So I'll tell one interesting fact. Okay. So very important. So according to me, those who are doing good in physics, they can do good in remaining subjects. Not only to according to me, according to the studies. So what is the reason behind your famous costume that you wear during classes? What is uh, what is the reason behind nothing? Just wanted to do little change in teaching methodology. That's why I just wanted to do different. That's enough. In that way, so those ideas comes. Does choosing PCM more opportunity? Yeah, absolutely. At the same time, learn concept, learn concepts, right? Great choice. Thank you. You are a great teacher. Thank you. Why did you choose student branch? Oh, good question. Great question. This is very, very. I like you, boss. Really great. The question is, why did you choose student brand as a channel name? Yeah. Yes, definitely. Like you, people will ask this question. I know, right? So why like that? Student means who? The one who is continuously learning. Student, right? There is no full stop. Student. The one who is. There are many meanings like who is seeking for knowledge, learning, gaining knowledge. It's continuous, right? Student means the one who is gaining the knowledge, the one who is learning, the one who is studying. Many words, right? Yes or no? Many words, right? Continuous, continuous, continuous. So that's why. So just leave the student, read the remaining word, the brand, how it is. The brand. How it is? Brand means recognition, strength, quality, yes or no? Like everything, what not, everything, right? That's enough. The one who is learning will become the brand. Recognition, strength, identity, like what not I said, right? Everything comes. Like those are the peak words, peak, mm, next level. Okay, so like that. Understood, Anna? That's why I mentioned, I kept like that. I kept. So you must always seek the like you have to be always gain the knowledge. You should be lifelong like a learner. You should be a learner throughout your life until the end of your life. Then only we can grow, right? When you'll grow, when you are learning. See, whatever it, I'm not only saying only, sir, only if we learn physics, we will grow. Like, yes, in your studies, out of these studies, whichever the field it is, whichever the like path you choose, you must be always a student. It is not about the age. It's not about the things. It's not about anything. It's about only learning. So observe in our class, observe in the class. The one who is getting topper is a continuous learner, either from books, either from class, either from professors, either from his own, like his own in the sense, doing all the research, doing all the work, understanding, okay, remembering, recalling, writing, learning from mistakes. Yes, I know. Like that. That's enough. I'll work for my student brand. Okay. We should be very passionate. We should be the passionate must looks. Hey, wow. By seeing that work, hey, what a work. Hey, how it is possible? How can we think like that? We can't even imagine this type of work. Yes, I know. So we have to do that type of works once in a life. That must be helpful to the society. That is very important, right? That is very important. So there is no offline. So right now I am working on online. Uh, no, which field you want to become a scientist? That is very important, right? There are many fields. There are many fields. Okay. N number of fields are there. So where you want to join? That you have to decide first. That you decide, and you can related to that. So if you want to join in NASA, if you want to join in your own like a institution or like your own research, like it depends. It depends. Okay. I hope. So if you know, so I want to reach one destination. Okay. So getting bus. So you have to take a ticket. So you should tell the place, right, where you are going. Without knowing that place, simply you can't You know, you can't travel, right? You should have the final destination. Then only you can travel. Maybe hurdles, struggles, problems will come. Definitely, it will be. It is a part of life. Yes, son, it is a part of life. Without doubt, you can't travel. Without up and downs, so you can't move forward. If life going very flat without any, okay, so you are going a wrong path. So, like, wantedly, I'm not asking to go and join in, okay, na? So, in the pool of problems, okay, but you go and jump in the pool of problems, in the pool of things. No, 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 I'm not asking like that. So, right now, I'm working on my YouTube channel only. Only the thing, I'm working on my YouTube channel. Sometimes we have to leave everything to work for your goal. Yes or no? Something you have to leave everything behind and work for your goal. So be very passionate, be very like see. So yourself you should feel, hey, wow, they are doing great work. Keep doing, keep doing. That should give you a motivation to move forward. You no need any extra motivation to work. Okay, your work you are doing right. So that's why every time people will say start doing, start doing. Okay, so that's enough. I hope it is very clear. So my favorite story, one story is there. Okay, so when butterfly is in cocoon, so when it is the final stage to come out, okay, it is the final stage to come out, then so butterfly should use all his strength, okay, all the strength to come out from that place. Yes, Anna, come out from that place. So that time, one king helped the butterfly to come out. Then what happens? The butterfly loses its strength slowly day by day. Then finally, it unable to fly. But the one who is coming out without any help, no, using all his strength, breaking all the barriers, and using all his strength to come out, then that will become very strong, very powerful, very strength. Okay, extraordinary strength. Then it comes out, and the wings will become very strong. So butterfly wings will become very strong. Uh, legs, everything, everything becomes very strong. Then, so the butterfly can fly. Yes or no? So, the moral of the story is you have to pass through the hurdles. You have to pass through the problems. You have to, you have to go through all the hurdles, all the struggle, all the pain. Okay. So without going through that, you will not become strong, right? So one thing I'll tell. So if you throw the stone, normally random stone into the water, so flowing water, after after few days, if you observe the stone, it will become very shiny. It will become very shiny. How? So when the stone is moving along the water, so because of pressure, so around all, okay, around the water, okay, it will hit the stone outside, right? So now around of the stone, then finally it will become a beautiful stone and a shiny stone. Okay. So, oh my God, how can I absolutely introvert only? So, it's not about introvert in the sense feeling comfortable, understanding more ourselves. Ah, live guru. Mm, plan, plan properly, plan properly. That's enough. So nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Still you have time. Still you have chance, right? So plan according to the months. Plan according to the time you have, and take the books. Okay. So start with great determination and continue with that. Okay. So after certain time, so you're leaving the motivation again. You're going like that. No. So I'm in Hyderabad. Okay. Right now, I'm taking live class also from Hyderabad only. So be always passionate about passionate about your work. Whether you are studying, whether you are doing anything, do always your best. Peak. See, only one life. We have to do amazing things, great work, right? It's only one life. We can't, no, we can't get again and again, right? So we should do amazing works. Oh, thank you. So you have to do amazing works, great works, extraordinary works. People should get which reference book should I use in 11th? So my best session, Concepts of Physics, H.C. Verma. And this is a Singage. This is Singage. Okay. So it will be helpful. And handbook. You can use physics handbook from physics and so even remaining subjects also it will be helpful. No, right now, so I am fully focused on online teaching only. Okay. After years of experience, so I have to give my best to teach. So yes, team is there. People from remaining subjects, people are there. Not only physics, so remaining subjects, if you want, definitely people are there. There is one quote: a single sheet of paper can't decide our future. So you should not worry about it. You can think. That's absolutely normal thing only. You can think about your result, but don't worry about result. There is so much difference, right? You can think, but don't worry. No, so intention more. No, don't worry about it, right? You already did your best. Okay, you did your best. Then you did your best. That's enough. You did your best. That's enough. That is only thing required. You did already your work. Then let results come. You can't go and change right now. Yes or no? It is true or no? Now you can't go and change anything. You have done your job long back itself. Only results should take care about itself. Automatically it will come to you. Okay. So think about next step. That is the thing. That's enough. Okay. So concepts are important, marks are important. Okay. Everything it matters when you are on it. Okay. So when you are thinking about it, when you are working so much hard for it, definitely everything, each and every point, each and everything is very important. Okay. So focus. Focus on your goal, focus on your work. Don't take too much tension. Think about results. That is okay. So taking too much, my God, no. Okay. So only one thing, you did your work. You did your best. You did your work. So that's done. That's absolutely it's done. So you have to think about only the next step. That's enough. Don't worry. Don't take too much. Nothing will happen. Okay. If you worry so much, will result change? No, right? It won't change. But your health will damage if you think so much. No, not required. So once the results comes, you check your results and do accordingly for the next. Okay. So what is next? Everything. Now onwards, you have to think. So why you are worrying about until results gets comes out? No need to worry about you. Start do your preparation. You have right. You have confident on yourself, right? Then why you are thinking about result? If you are believe on yourself, if you are believing yourself, if you are confident on you, that's enough. Everything will come. Believe. Okay, so the confidence must be unshakable. Okay, so general one example I'll tell. If you take a sand ball, drop into the water, then what happens? It spread all over the water. If you take a stone and drop into the water, how many years also it does not change its shape. So like that we should be. Whatever the environment, whatever the situation, believe yourself, be confident on you. Okay. So that's enough. Everything will comes. Okay. So that's enough. Be confident on yourself. So do work. What are the things required? What are the steps required to do? Can go with that. Okay. That's enough. So it is not about motivation class. It's just about interaction. So you people are asking, just I am telling that's enough. So it's not about motivating. Yeah, of course, motivation is required, not from outside, inside. Okay. Inner motivation is very important than outer motivation. So you if you watch a motivational video, then you will get super boost, super energy, like a Superman, like a Hulk. So you want to do the work immediately. Once the next day comes, same, same daily work, daily things. But if you are getting motivation, yes, I have to do this work. I have to complete this work. Definitely, yourself, you'll wake up and do the things, right? Okay. Chandrakant. Yeah, understood. Okay. I understood your situation. Okay. Right now you are preparing, right? All the best for your exam and do well. All the best. All the best. I will tell one few. I'll tell Chandrakant. I'll tell two things. So in sound chapter, Belger experiment you prepare. Belger experiment. That question will come. And longitudinal waves and transfer waves and frequency, wavelength. Okay, these points. And one more thing also, reflection of sound activity. Reflection of sound activity. Reflection of sound activity question. Belger experiment and longitudinal waves, transverse waves. This and that's enough. And one more question, one practical question. They may ask in the question. They may ask in the exam paper. That is okay. So like suppose a family want to take a house. Okay, a family amplitude. Amplitude is nothing but the maximum distance between mean position to extreme position of the wave propagation. Maximum. Like so. That is the distance. If the wave is there like this, so mean position to extreme position, the wave propagation is called amplitude. Okay. Wavelength is the distance between two consecutive crest or two consecutive trough. Okay. One more. A family want to take a house, okay, near to the road or 2 lanes away from the road. How you will suggest? Okay. So write with your own words like that. So answer is near to the road, the noise, sound pollution will be more. Away from the 2 lanes, so sound pollution will be less. So happily you can get. Okay. So these are the points. So prepare well and go to the exam hall. Definitely you'll do it. Okay. Those questions we'll discuss definitely. గట్లయితే గట్లయ్యే చూద్దాం ఏదైతే అదైంది మనం తగ్గేదేలే ఓకేనా ఏదైతే అదైంది మనం ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యామా వెళ్ళామా ఎగ్జామ్లో రాసామా అంతే అలాగే ఉండాలి మళ్ళీ సో ఎగ్జామ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఎలా ఉంటుందా ఏం ఉండద్దు సో నీ ప్రిపరేషన్ నువ్వు నీ ప్రిపరేషన్ స్ట్రాంగ్గా ఉంటే ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్ ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది ప్రిపరేషన్ స్ట్రాంగ్గా లేదనుకో ఎగ్జామ్ పేపర్ సో సో మెనీ థాట్స్ విల్ కమ్ ఓకేనా సో గుర్తుపెట్టుకో గట్లయితే గట్లయ్యా తగ్గేదేలే రాసేద్దాం ఓకే దట్ ఈస్ గుడ్ సైన్ ఓన్లీ బట్ డోంట్ థింక్ టూ మచ్ ఓకే సో నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ రైట్ సో ఇఫ్ యూర్ నాట్ సాల్వింగ్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ మీన్స్ సో యు ఆర్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ హౌ టు సాల్వ్ అట్లీస్ట్ యు ఆర్ ట్రయింగ్ ఇన్ ద పాత్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయింగ్ ఇన్ ద పాత్ ఆఫ్ సాల్వింగ్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో అట్లీస్ట్ యు ఆర్ థింకింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ టు సాల్వ్ దట్స్ ఇనఫ్ నో automatically next time you can able to solve so no need to feel bad about it. Mhm. So you're watching movie, you're watching the channel, you're watching TV channel. Okay. Like so you're changing the channels suddenly in one channel. So on. So you're watching that movie. So you're not liking that movie. What you'll do? You'll skip it. Yes, I know. You'll go to the next one. Here also in the exam also, if you are not unable to get it, at that moment you go to the next one. So go to the next question after completion of all the questions and come to that question at the end when you have time in the exam hall. You asked about that question in the exam, right? In the exam, so you come to that question at the end. then you can able to solve it. Because see, I will tell one thing. If you give time to your brain will process how to get the answer on particular question. Okay, give the task here and give some time and go to the remaining questions, and especially in exam hall. So go to the remaining questions and complete all and come to the end. That's why sometimes we'll write, okay, we'll write the question number and leave some space and go to the remaining questions. Whenever, if all questions are completed, then you will come to the question. Okay. Okay. Okay, Slok. So, yeah, I worked in school and college also, both. I worked in both school and college. What is the potential difference? The difference in electrical pressure, right? Like temperature changes, temperature move. Yes, and heat will move from high temperature region to low temperature region. Same like here also. Okay then. So thank you so much for joining and attending and listening. So do like, share, and subscribe to Student the Brand. So this is our Siva sir from Student the Brand. We'll see in the next class with the next live class. P equal to F by A. Hmm. If you are subscriber, if you are a subscriber to this channel and click on bell icon, definitely you'll get updation regarding the live class, right? So generally I'll take morning around 10, afternoon around 3:30 or 4, evening 6, and after that around around 10. Okay, so these are the timings. Just you can join to the live class. If you are subscriber and click on like button, definitely automatically you'll get updation, right? Yes. Thank you so much for joining and attending and listening my class and interacting with me. So happy to see you all. So do like, share, and subscribe to Student Brand. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next live. Thank you.